In these videos, we are going to speak about 4 reasons as to why your coaching business is struggling. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, I am Tanya. I'm a business coach. I'm a marketing strategist. And on here, we'll help coaches and experts attract premium high-paying clients and develop businesses that they love and that they no longer need an escape from. Okay, one of the things I often encounter when I am working with clients or when people come to me is often that they are struggling to scale past the 10k months mark, or even scale past 10k. And one of the things that I have kind of put together is that there is often 4 reasons. So if you are in a space where you probably are struggling to either land clients or struggling to get clients to pay you what you would like them to pay you, or you are struggling to attract clients that will just pay in full or anything, these could be the 4 reasons why, and we are going to be covering it here. Now, before we start and we go any further, check out the complimentary masterclass mini course that is in the description box, where I will be showing you 5 ways. I will be showing you how to land 5 premium high-paying clients in the next 30 days as a coach or a consultant. Now that we've gotten that out of the way, let's jump into the 4 reasons as to why you are struggling. Now, I know it's been a minute, but we are going to jump straight into it. I'm not going to take too much of your time. And if you figure that this could be, you have 1 or 2 things in here that you feel that you are experiencing, don't hesitate to book a complimentary consultation, a scale your income consultation. The link will be in the description box, and you will speak with one of my coaches that will be able to guide you as to how we could help and how it could help you fix the major problem and bottleneck in your business. Now, the number one reason, I made some note, the number one reasons why you are struggling is you are not being clear on who you serve and how you serve them. You are not being clear on who you serve and how you serve them. This is one of the biggest problems that I find that many coaches have. It is the clarity of their messaging. They struggle to be clear on who they are serving. A lot of times, if you struggle to articulate the outcome of your program or of your services and how it is a value add to the client, then of course you will struggle to get them through the door. So it is important that you kind of get clear on who you are serving, like what is the major problem, what are their pains, demographics, psychographics, what are they struggling with, what is the pain that is keeping them up at night. Then you want to articulate this and merge it to the solution that you offer. That is your number 1. Number 2, if you see me looking at my phone, it's because I made notes on my phone. You want to have a piece of content that kind of gives them insight as to what are the problems that they are facing, so that when they consume that piece of content, they know that, okay, this is my problem, this is why I'm struggling, and this is the person I want to work with. So you will notice that a lot of coaches will often offer something complimentary, which would be a consultation, which could be a mini course, a free masterclass, a challenge. All of these are often meant to walk prospects through a journey of them identifying what they are struggling with, handling their main objections, and showing them how you could help them solve the problem. So you want to have that type of content incorporated into your marketing strategy. Number 3, you want to embody the kind of coach that you want to be. If you want to be a high-ticket premium coach, then embody that in how you present yourself and how you speak with confidence. You want to embody who you want them to perceive you to be. And I'm not saying that you need to wear a mask. If you don't know what I'm referring to, you need to follow my podcast. A link to a previous episode or a recent episode will be there, where I think by the time this video comes out, or just in the week this is coming out, I would have an episode that speaks on the need to stop code switching. So you want to check that out. I'll probably leave the link in the description box for you to listen to that episode. It's audio only and it is on my podcast. So if you kind of want to hear a little bit of what I think, what are my perceptions, I share a lot more of those on my podcast. So you want to follow and subscribe to that podcast. So one of the things I was saying is embody who you want them to see you as, but keeping it authentic to who you are. Do not try to portray somebody else. Do not try to portray me or anybody else. You don't want to do that. Finally, the last contender, the last piece in the puzzle, I think I may have touched on it before, is speak to the problems, because at the end of the day, people buy solutions to a problem. So you want to highlight the problems that they are facing within your marketing, but also position your solution, your offer, as a solution to those problems. So you want to marry those two into one marinated chicken, I would say. As I tell my clients, you kind of want to bring it together like the way you bake bread. So speak to their problems, what they are facing, what they are struggling with, what is keeping them up at night. Speak at how they are feeling, where they are at, and why they are feeling like that. And then also position your offer. And one final thing that I would say, and this is kind of like a bonus point, you want to detach from the outcome. It may sound counterintuitive, but detaching from the outcome that you expect would do wonders for your marketing, because by detaching, you open up the door and the energetic doors and for a blessing that you want. So detach from sales goals, the outcome of sales goals, detach from the outcome of your marketing. Trust yourself, and when you're putting something out, that something positive is going to come through, even if you don't see it immediately, and trust that it's going to work in your favor, and detach. That will work wonders, and you will start attracting the type of clients that you desire and start generating revenue. On this note, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope this served you. If this is your first time on this channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Share this with somebody that may need this resource to help them with their business, and I will see you next time. Bye.